Guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been MIA. I'm so sorry. I've been working an extra lot at my job, and my kids have been so busy with football and cheerleading that I don't have a lot of extra free time right now. I posted my last fall decorating with me. I still haven't finished decorating, so I don't know if I'm going to. I feel like I'm really like excited about Halloween for some reason this year, so we'll see what happens. I still want to decorate my open shelves either for Halloween or for fall. We shall see. But I am really excited about today's video because we're going to decorate the porch. It's one of my favorite things to do in the fall, and I just picked up some pretty things from the store, and I thought I would just take you along a very informal video. I don't even know what I look like, so here we go. Let's decorate it. I hope that you guys will forgive me for the audio outside. It was windy a little tiny bit, and obviously my camera picks up any movement, but I didn't realize it till afterwards, so I'm sorry about that. I'm just gonna start by sweeping off my porch. I probably should have power washed it, but I didn't have time, and it's really not that bad. I just did it a few weeks ago, so anyway. But if you were gonna clean your porch off, I would suggest power washing it. I'm just gonna give it a good sweeping, and I'm gonna fluff the cushions to my chairs and move everything and get all the dead leaves off.
Time till we fall. It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse.
I decided to use these really cute plaid orange pillows that I used last year on my couch out here on my porch. As crazy as it is, they don't get dirty on the porch. I know you might think different, but I had the white and blue ones out there all summer long, and they still look so good. But these ones don't have a cover you can take off, so I'll have to be more diligent about watching that. And then I just added this galvanized tub full of dried wheat to there, just to add a little accent out there. I don't want to do too much, but I wanted to still add something cute. And the showstopper of the porch is these magnificent mums that I picked up at Costco. They are massive. And they are only $15. So if you're in the market for mums, Costco is your place. So I just picked up 2 of those to put on either side of the door. And I really love how they look in those black planterns. I can link the black planters in the description box below if they're still available. They are from Target, and I just love the way that they look on the porch. They're substantial enough, but they're also very sleek. So, love those. My fall porch is not complete without some kind of fall-inspired flower arrangement. I love doing these. I think I probably love doing fall planters more than I love doing spring planters. And actually, it's been kind of hard to find things this season. I'm not sure why. But I picked some things up at the nursery. I picked a few things up at Lowe's. I'm just going to start by putting this really giant kale in the back as kind of my centerpiece. And then you'll see here in just a second that I had a different style of kale, or a different variety, excuse me, that they complement each other, but the leaf structure is so different, and I like the way that they look paired together. I love the way kale looks, or cabbage. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I like just the texture that they bring to the containers, and I think that's why I love fall containers the most. And then I'm just going to pack these completely full. I mean, as full as I can get them, because they don't need a lot of room for growth. They're not going to get very much bigger, obviously, because the days are getting shorter and it's cooler. The next thing I'm going to add is a smaller mum. These don't last very long, but they last long enough. And I try to always pick ones where the blooms are not open, so that you can, they have time to bloom. Right in the center, I picked up these really beautiful, I think they're pansies. I get violas and pansies confused. I think pansies are the big ones and violas are the small ones, which I do have those too. But I loved the dark burgundy color of those. I love the orange paired with the burgundy, and the burgundy kind of plays off the kale really beautifully. And then I put, I'm not sure what that's called. It's like I said, it's a pansy, a viola. I know these ones are kind of like a more ruffly version of those. And then in the front, I put some impatiens, just because I wanted them to kind of fall out the front of the container. Of course, white. So I love all of these colors combined. I think it looks really pretty. Next up, I'm adding this beautiful rug that I've showed you guys before. I link it below. It is beautiful. It looks gray or darker in the camera, but it's actually like a green color, and I love it so much. It's perfect for fall. I'm reusing my other mat because I didn't buy another one, and this one seems to be fine. Maybe for Christmas time this one will be a little bit more worn out. And then in one of my recent hauls, I showed you guys this olive branch wreath, and it is beautiful. I love it, and I love it paired with that rug. I think they complement each other really well. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already. I ran out of daylight, so hopefully my porch lights aren't too distracting, but I hope you guys are having a wonderful start to your fall, and stay tuned because I have a Halloween haul coming up soon, and I got some really cute things that I'd love to share with you. So I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.